Hello guys, let's create our interior design webpage and host it online. Let's start it. So first things first. As usual, I'm starting to talk with ChatGPT and I asked which content management system I should use so they would be supporting Stripe and Picera. Why I need those in general is because in the future I want to accept payments via Stripe and Picera, and I want content management system. I am no programmer and I'm lazy. I don't want to do that. After certain bargain and arguments with ChatGPT, we come to the conclusion that I would like to use, or educated guess, that I need to use WordPress plus Hostinger plus WooCommerce. Spoiler alert, I did choose Hostinger and I purchased their plan. But why? I will explain you a little bit. As you may see from this, that I need minimal setup. I already purchased Hostinger, I already have a domain, I have a WordPress as a plugin or add-on in a Hostinger, WooCommerce also, Stripe plugin, Picera, might be free or some paid variant. But in general, those paid variants is for a future. So considering that I took around like a couple of hours to collect material that I want to put in the in a website and collect some pictures that I want to put there, and also a couple of hours to actually generate and edit website itself, it will be quite easy win actually for me to migrate them to something else if I want to. So for time being, we need a website that would represent us as designers as we are. So customers could actually see what we've been doing, could see our portfolio, could contact us and discuss in person what actually they need. Okay, so I did some research though about other content management systems, and I was looking at the prices, and actually I picked three that I knew. So Wix.com, Weebly, and Hostinger itself. So when I compared prices, it seemed that Hostinger was kind of outstanding with their offer, especially for a starting period. So for 3 months you kind of free, and then you're getting some kind of discount. But in fact, I would be looking at this price. It's like a $14. Then we're getting $14 for site in Weebly. We kind of orders free because we need to set up our domain, and that doesn't allow us to do that. It doesn't allow any payments, so we can't rely on free flow they offering. If you will have extension on Weebly.com and you're fine with that, they offering free website, and I've been hosting some websites on Weebly and they look fabulous actually. On Wix.com is something I used before also as a free one, and they worked also very well, but for a paid version I bit hesitant to pay $70, and I think it will hit up to 34 or cheapest 125 when you weren't willing to use something more. And in Hostinger you might see that we have quite a huge list of capabilities, plenty of space, AI support, e-commerce features, AI SEO tools. I'm not very good at SEO, so I likely will need some help with AI in there. Okay, so as ChatGPT told me, you might need WordPress. First thing I tried is actually in Hostinger to create a website with a with a WordPress, and it ended up ugly, I would say, and actually I didn't like it. It's kind of very static, very kind of 90-ish. And so I kind of started over, looked for some tutorials, how to do, what templates to use. and actually ended up with something like this one. So it's more kind of fluent. It has some dynamic spaces. I will be improving that. It's my kind of 2-3 hour work. Not even, I guess, all the hyperlinks are working. However, I put all the text. I put my pictures that I've been working previously on the designs. I try to find the ones that I kind of done previously, some of them, and actually I just took the pictures from them. I couldn't actually find the ones that I been stored somewhere, and simply I just made a portfolio from what I did, and I created in general 3 offers. So we offering 3D visualizations, detailed plans, and luxury set, which includes both of those. Actually, that is exactly how I see me working in the beginning. Later on, when we start to sell online, it will be quite different, and I will try to employ artificial intelligence in order to help me to create design according to my style. We also included some portfolios, slideshow. I guess it might require some improvement. On such a big screen, it looks blurry. I didn't even check. But later on, you might visit my site. Welcome, and see how it works. I see the buttons not in the place, but anyway. And I think I've been working a little bit on offerings. So you might see that 3D visualization is going to be like you see, the plans will be with all the measurements, and all in one will be full-fledged design is with all the measurements, list of items that I included in the design, also all measurements of the decorations, lighting, furniture, where to place that. Some projects, of course, that I did before is actually 2 storehouse renovation, barn house design. Also tiny flat, lots of space, how to accommodate things into small area. And there was country house flip into kind of modern escape house with a sauna inside, with a furnace, and also some feedback that I got. And okay, what else we have is our contact form, some customer reviews. All done. Website is ready. It's still, oh, look at that. It seems is it really my domain working? Because what I had to do, I had to actually, as I bought domain elsewhere, not via Hostinger, I had to redirect DNS record in general. This so when someone is typing in Monserrat.lt, the server which accepts that would be Hostinger domain name servers. It's a bit techy, but in general they telling you what to do. And wondering if that works, because just a minute ago I tried and it didn't. Oh, it's open up. So you might visit and see how I'm progressing with my website, and hope in the future we'll add more contact details and it will be more refined, and you might be maybe would be able to contact me for your design. Okay guys, so that was the day. We created our brand new interior designer website. I hope you will manage to do it yourself. If you have any questions, or I fast forwarded some steps that you were confused on, please contact me in the comments. Let me know what you think. Next time we're going to be talking about applications that we're using to create interior designs. I would expect those would be few sessions about how we're creating plans, how we're creating 3D structures, how we're applying textures, eventually adding lighting and creating that on top of what our clients want. And so we could offer them the best solution how to manage their space and use it to the fullest. So thank you for watching, and hope new video will come soon. Watch my channel, press like. Thank you. Bye guys.